Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a sweet pepper. So let's get started. We're going to be planting in a container, recycling old container. This was of just some flowers that came into this container, and so I'm going to reuse it to plant pepper plant. Now guys, I'm going to start with adding some soil. So let's do that. It's raining outside today on this beautiful morning, but it's a perfect day to do some gardening. So I started with some plain soil. I'm going to add some manure in it, and some sheep manure. And the manure I got from Walmart for $2, so this was a good price. I'm just going to mix in some sheep manure. Now guys, it's a good idea to plant in containers. As I said before, if you don't have a big garden space, it's also nice to be planted in small containers as well. And the pepper plant will do well in a small container. Now again, you'll have to make sure you take care of this. I'm just taking off some dry leaves. Make sure you take care of this. Make sure it's getting enough. Oh, this is jalapeno pepper, not sweet pepper. Jalapeno peppers. Got these from Walmart for $2.49. So they'll do well in a container garden. And planting in containers, guys, is a good idea to get children start in gardening and start planting. It's just easy, simple thing to do. And once you get the children started young in gardening, I find that they end up liking it when they get older. And there's wonderful benefits in gardening, guys. You end up feeling happy. You watch your progress of your plants grow. There's something about that that gives you a little bit of joy. Alright? And I'm just adding in some more soil. And this is our jalapeno pepper. And the soil that I'm using is potting soil from the local grocery store. I purchased this, and this was also $2 a bag for the soil. So I'm adding some soil into the container, and then I'm going to add some more manure. Get it nice and ready. Now this manure has lots of nutrition in here already, so I won't add any fertilizer, but maybe in about a week or so I'll put some fertilizer in. So I'm trying to, it's now I think the first week in June, so I'm trying to get stuff planted. It might be a little bit late, but we still have the long summer months for stuff to grow, right? So adding some more soil, some manure, chop it up, and then I'm going to put it in the garden. Then I'm going to show you how or where I place this in the garden. Okay, so I'm just going to clean it up a bit, and then I'm going to no, I won't water it today, I should say, because it's raining outside, as I said a little bit earlier, and that's the perfect time. So, sipping my cup of tea, coffee. And there we are, all done. So, jalapeno peppers, all done. Gardening in a container. There it is. Nice, easy breezy. This is what you do when you don't have a big space to garden. You can still garden in a container, and this is just an easy process, and it's all done. Okay, ready to go outside, and I'll show you where I put them. Don't forget, guys, not everybody wonders is lost, and always try to strive for something better Okay, thanks for watching.
So, my friends, it's been 5 weeks since I've planted our jalapeno pepper, and look at this, beautiful. There's about 4 or 5 peppers on the tree, and I'm hoping to enjoy it soon.